still in Bogota downtown, and we are going to pass through the stadium. So just watch sights and sounds of Bogota, Colombia. Guys, welcome to Colombia. Welcome to Bogota. Welcome to Colombia. It's muy bien, muy bien. The soccer stadium is ahead. Soccer stadium. Okay. The soccer stadium is ahead. So we just head there. You know, football here, soccer or football is everybody's craze. The other day, everybody was yelling, shouting. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. So right now, I live with the salsa sounds of Bogota, Colombia. BRT bus over there. Rapid transport bus. That's very operational here in Bogota, Colombia. Oh, stadium, oh, right there is the soccer stadium, right there. Yeah. So we are just approaching the soccer stadium. And the roads are very well kept, very smooth roads. Yeah. And right there on our right is the soccer stadium. Right there. Right there. That's the soccer stadium, guys. The Bogota Soccer Stadium. Yeah, where soccer is played and everybody enjoys soccer over here. Yeah. That's the El Campín Soccer Stadium. El Campín Stadium, guys. So yeah, so if you come to Bogota and you want to enjoy soccer, some live soccer, that's where you're gonna go. And over there are some mountains. Beautiful, beautiful city of Bogota.
What is that arena?
And this is an arena. It's called Conciertos Arena. As for concerts, it's an arena for concerts. So when maybe Shakira can perform, Movistar Arena, so this is where they'll be performing. Right there, that white publish thing, that's the arena where the musicians perform and concerts and everything like that. Yeah. So now we're just driving. Those are the major ones, and then now we're just driving back to my hotel, and meanwhile I'll just show you the sights and sounds of Bogota. There's a path over there, over the highway, where people can pass, and in the middle is where the stage for the rapid bus transport. That is a rapid bus transport. Yeah, Transmilenio. It's called Transmilenio, and that will take you wherever you want. Take you downtown to different parts of Bogota, Colombia. A lot of motorcycles, guys. A lot of motorcycles. Yeah, nice buildings. Welcome, guys, to Sights and Sounds of Bogota, Colombia. I enjoyed this place and I really will come back. Definitely I must come back again and visit next year. I've made a lot of friends and I hope I'll still be able to see them when I come back. Yeah, and it will be really fun going around Zona T, Zona Rosa, downtown central Bogota, and then Caracas area. Yeah, and Chapinero, and yeah. So I'm getting to know the place, almost becoming like a local. Yeah, so those are the sights and sounds, streets of Bogota, Colombia. And of course I'm still in the cab, and my cab driver is right there. He speaks only Spanish. I'm able to communicate with my broken Spanish. Yeah, he's saying hola, hola, subscribe, suscrito. The traveling line. All right. So we are communicating still. Broken Spanish. I speak broken Spanish. He doesn't speak a word of English, but we are still able to communicate and get our way around. So Victory motorcycles over there. If you want to buy a motorcycle. Yeah. Or Renault car over there. Different cars. Huh? Oh, there's a cemetery. Oh, yeah, there's a cemetery. It's telling me there's a cemetery over here where people get buried. Yeah. Yeah, cemetery there in the city. Yeah. A lot of good graffiti over there. Wow, that's fantastic graffiti. Yeah, like art graffiti. People crossing the road like not worrying about the cars. Young people like that. Yeah. So I love this city. Bogota is a wonderful city. People are very friendly. The roads are very good. Transport is good. I've not experienced anything bad so far, but you have to be careful. Crime is still there. Crime has not gone away, so we are still careful, but still having fun, yeah, and enjoying. There's the stage for the rapid bus transport, where people wait for their buses over there, and the buses go on that lane over there, yeah, and that's like the stage. And people go to this rapid bus transport stage using those walkways up there. Yeah, from each side of the road, and it's also for disabled people. They can be able to use a wheelchair to go up and also come down. These are mainly a motorcycle area. There are a lot of motorcycle shops. Yeah. Motocicletas. Nice ones. I'd like to have one of those one day. So yeah, so we are heading now towards Zona T, Zona Rosa, and there's a barrier in front over there. So I stopped filming just because of the video sound, the musica, copyright. So I'll cut the videos short right now. Oh, yeah, so that the music doesn't interfere with the video.